This is what a scored piston looks like from running the saw with the improper oil mix. This was mixed way too light on the oil, and it was run for about an hour. Amazingly, it still runs, although you have to start it on full throttle and it won't idle anymore. It's basically going at maybe 60% speed on full throttle, and as soon as you let off full throttle, it dies immediately. So that's what a scored piston looks like. Let's see if I can get a little closer. There you go. So we're going to open her up, see what it looks like inside the cylinder. Alright, we just got this Husky 240 saw open, and I want to show you guys some scoring on the piston. That's the piston in there. It's really rough. I can actually feel the grooves with my fingernail. They're pretty deep, and if you can see a little bit in there, that's the cylinder wall that is also a little bit scored. So this is going to need a new cylinder and very likely, very obviously, a new piston.